In the summer of 1833, the newly built house of Gheorghe Măvridi, known nowadays as Lamartine House, was visited by the French poet and diplomat Alphonse de Lamartine. With his entourage of about 40 persons, he was on his way from Istanbul to Paris. When a word got round that the poet would stay for a few days in Plovdiv, the rich citizens, Bulgarians, Greeks and Armenians, competed to offer their homes to the guest. The honor to be the first to welcome the prominent guest in front of the city gates was enjoyed by Gheorghe Măvridi. He jumped down from his horse and touched the clothes of Lamartine. Such was the traditional Oriental way of inviting the guest to his home. The stay of the famous Frenchman in the house was rather important, as it brought certain public dividends to his hosts. The altar area is decorated with ceramic tiles from the end of the 18th century, brought here from the town of Kütahya in Turkey, which used to be the center of Armenian crafts. This rare decoration can be seen only in two Armenian churches in the world, in the Armenian Church of Jerusalem and in this church in Plovdiv. According to a medieval author, the raised marble section of the altar is the place where the spiritual leader of the Second Crusade of the 12th century, Bishop Alvisius, was buried. The archaeologists are looking into the possibility of exploring this sacred place in the church. Stop 13. The gossip section. Kështë në kyçe is a popular saying deriving from Turkish, which many Bulgarians use to refer to a house on the corner overlooking the main square. Gossip was born here. What clothes the neighboring ladies were wearing, who were the visitors and who they visited, what their horses or carriage looked like. Because of the strict rules of traditional Oriental society, limitations were imposed on women and they were not allowed to go out freely in the streets. So they satisfied their curiosity by looking to the outside world through a special extension in the stone wall of the rich houses, in their most prominent part. This is the gossip section, or the gossip parlor, where intrigue was born.